Hello everyone and welcome. If you are a civil engineer, geotechnical engineer, structural engineer, mining engineer, researcher, or a graduate student looking to master advanced underground engineering simulation in Abaqus, then this training package is designed specifically for you. Today I'd like to introduce our Tunnel and TBM Analysis Package in Abaqus, a comprehensive collection of 11 advanced workshops that cover some of the most important and challenging topics in the tunnel engineering and underground structure analysis. Uh, Modern tunnel engineering is far more complex than simple creating a finite element model. Engineers are often required to evaluate tunnel performance under external loading conditions such as explosion, earthquake, excavation, and complex soil structure interaction. They also need to simulate tunnel boring machine operation, rock cutting mechanism, and damage evolution in different geological materials. These analyses require advanced numerical method and practical modeling experience. This package has been developed to provide exactly that. Instead of focusing on isolated examples, every workshop is based on a realistic engineering problem that demonstrates how advanced Abaqus technicals are applied in practice. The goal is not only to show you how to build a model, but also to explain the engineering concept behind each simulation. Let's take a quick look of the content of the package. The first workshop uh, um, here focuses on the couple Eulerian Lagrangian explosion inside an underground tunnel, where you will learn how to simulate blast wave propagation and evaluate the structural response of the underground tunnels. The second workshop investigated a nonlinear finite element model of an ultra-high-performance concrete tunnel protected with GFRP against internal blast loading, demonstrating advanced material modeling and structural protection technique. In the third and fourth workshop, you'll learn how to simulate explosion inside a stone tunnel and tunnel embedded in the soil while considering dynamic soil structure interaction using Abaqus explicit and CEL model. In the fifth workshop, move to reinforced concrete tunnel buried underground, where internal explosion effect and structural damage are investigated in details. Next, the package introduced one of the most exciting topics in the underground engineering, tunnel boring machine simulation. You'll learn how to model rock breakage caused by TBM rolling cutter, as this here, investigate sandstone cutting using rigid tools, simulate TBM excavation in both dry and saturated soil here, and finally perform a complete TBM model here. This workshop provides valuable insight into excavation mechanics, contact behavior, material failure and damage, and also rock fragmentation. The final two workshops focus on earthquake engineering. You'll simulate seismic loading on concrete tunnel embedded in soil, investigate soil structure interaction under earthquake excitation, and study two-dimensional tunnelic problem subjected to seismic loading effect, as you can see here. By the end of these workshops, you will have gained practical experience with many advanced Abaqus techniques, including CEL analysis, explicit dynamic analysis, nonlinear material behavior, CDP model, advanced contact definition, JH2 model, JWL material model, damage mechanics or rock cutting simulation, and soil structure interaction. One of the biggest advantages of this package is that it's completely project-based. Instead of watching short theoretical demonstration, you'll work through complete engineering models from start to finish. Every step is explained in details so you can understand not only what to do, but why each modeling decision is made. After purchasing the package, you will receive everything you need to reproduce and customize the simulation for your own project. This includes complete CAE file, input file, step-by-step video tutorial, and reference paper when they are available. These resources allow you uh, to repeat every simulation, modify parameter, perform your own investigation, and build upon the provided models for research or industrial application. Here at the end, we have the package price. The price for this package is 108 euros. We accept PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and cryptocurrencies for the payment. Before payment, contact us through this email to tell you more about the purchasing process, content of the package, or everything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.